Hi! In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating and opening Clock app. Following that, tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Now, before creating your alarm, click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you wish to, like flip to snooze. When you finished, go back and tap on this plus at the top right corner as well. Now you can finally set up an hour. When you finished, click on repeat option and tap on one of those options. 2-day weekend, 1 day or 2-day weekend, shift system or custom. I will stick with custom, so when I click on it, I can also set up days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. When you finished, just go back. Now click on alert mode. Pick the best option for you, ring and vibrate, or only vibrate. And if you set up one of those options with ring, tap on Ringtone below it. Now you can tap on custom ringtone at the top. Pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song to set it up, or just select one of those system sounds. In my case, early in the morning. Then go back. Finally, you can tap on snooze time and pick the perfect amount for you. I will go with 30 minutes. Last but not least, click on label and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then click on OK. To save your alarm, tap on Done at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to make some changes, click on your alarm. Change whatever you wish to. And to discard those changes, select Cancel at the top left corner. And to save them, click on Done at the top right one. Lastly, if you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it and select Delete at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!